Take a look at the forecast right now. And Kelly, it was raining cats and dogs and everything else out there this morning.
Yes, it was a fairly wet start here. We're tracking a weather system that is now pushing through the region. A nice cold front associated with this low pressure. Up north here, you can see that big line of rainfall. It is breaking apart as it scoots towards the east, and soon it'll be out the door as we head into our second half of the day. But it's a wet start now. You can see some heavier pockets of rainfall pushing through the valley, mostly out towards the foothills now is where that heavy rain is. And we're picking up some good snowfall amounts too out towards Mount Hood, especially on the east sides too. So this is all part of this weather system that's now pushing on in. It should work out the door, and we should continue to dry out as we head towards our late morning and afternoon. But right now, still some wet weather out there. You want to bring your rain jacket. So here's a closer view of the weather beacon atop the Standard Plaza. Ken has a great story on this, a Where We Live story on how to read this, but I believe it's flashing green, which means it's cooling and there is some precipitation out there, which does check out. So look at today's weather, a rainy start, some downpours across the valley, even some breezy conditions too, but we'll see that tapering off. Still some scattered showers by late morning, but sun breaks heading into our afternoon. Highs today upper 40s, our sunset also just before 4:30, so losing daylight here pretty quickly. Right now we're sitting in the low to mid 40s up and down the valley. Still some showers out towards Salem and further into Eugene. The coast now is starting to dry out as that front again scoots out the door here, but we are seeing some wet moments out there. Do drive carefully. Here's our weather model and our FUTURECAST that shows still some scattered showers pushing on in as we head towards our morning. Snow continues to fall as well out towards the Cascades, but we do dry out quickly. So the system, a pretty strong one, even dropping close to 1/4 of an inch of rain out towards the coast just since midnight. A little less than that here in the valley, but it does work out the door quickly as we dry out. So heading into our Tuesday, it does look like a dry day, but likely we'll see some fog developing as we clear out the clouds tonight and cool down. All that moisture left at the surface will likely develop into some fog here as we head towards our colder morning hours tomorrow. So do watch out for dense fog there. But a dry Tuesday, same for Wednesday. We are rebuilding a nice ridge of high pressure here. So notice not really a cloud in the sky or any rainfall across the Pacific Northwest. And we keep it that way at least till the weekend. Come Thursday, a system wants to budge in towards the coast here, but that high pressure holds on strong, so it's likely we stay dry from Tuesday into our weekend. Take a look at our weekly rain chance. Just today, we'll see some numerous morning showers and drying out. Then that dry stretch begins Tuesday and beyond. Here's a quick look at our snow report. Just updated this. 2 inches now at Meadows and Timberline, a good base amount. It is also very gusty up there at this point, so if you're heading out for opening day at Meadows for season pass holders, likely dealing with some gusty conditions, but some new snowfall there too, so that is always fun. Here's a look at our zone planner today. The coast and the valley, many spots in the low 50s today with morning rain showers, breezy winds for the coast, and even in the valley today throughout our morning we could see maybe some gusts around 20 miles per hour in Portland, out through Salem as well. But we should see some clearing and more sun breaks by the afternoon. So quick look at our 7-day forecast. We start that dry trend by Tuesday. Temperatures mainly in the upper 40s to low 50s. Watching out for morning fog by tomorrow, but we're looking at some dry time and even some sunshine for much of this week. Carly.
5:52, we've got